Hello, this is Eric with Band Group, and in today's video, I'm going to cover how you can begin utilizing the Quick Links web part and SharePoint. I'm also going to create a part 2 where we can go more in depth and explore all the functionalities and options available within the web part. And if you're interested, you can find that link below. But for this video, we're only going to stick to the basics and how you can get your links into your site. So for today's example, we are in a benefits site, and I want to create a self-service portal where users can navigate useful links. And I want to do that via the quick links web part. So let's get started. So I'm going to add the quick links web part. So let's go to edit. Let's add a web part, and I'll search for it. And you can title your web part whatever you like. I'm going to call mine self-service. And to add a link, all you have to do is click here. And now you'll see this window that pops up, giving you all the options of what do you want to link to. By default, the first screen you'll see is your most recent items. You can also link to stock images, any files within your OneDrive, any files resting within your site, or you can upload new documents straight from your computer. Or if you have a link, you can link to any external website or any link within SharePoint, including documents from other sites. For the first example, I want to link to a PowerPoint available within our site. So I'm going to go into Site, then Documents, and the one I'm looking for is called Career Development. Cool. So all I have to do is click this check mark and click Open. Now, as you'll see, I get this new window right here, and it gives me the URL of where my document is resting. Also, we get a title of the link, and as you can see, SharePoint already filled this in with the title of my document, which is Career Development Guide. And I do think that's a good title, so I'm going to leave that as is. Now, we get the options of what thumbnail to use. By default, SharePoint automatically picks up the icon of the file type. Since this is a PowerPoint presentation, you can see that it picks up the PowerPoint icon. You can also upload your own custom image from here, or you can choose an icon from a large icon library that comes with SharePoint. So I'm going to go with this option. I'm going to go with icon, change. And you'll see that you have many icons to choose from. And all these are freely available through SharePoint. So what I like to do is I use the search bar to look for any terms that I'm looking for. Since this is a career development guide, I'm looking for something involving people or coaching or something. So I'm going to look up people, see what we get. And we do get a couple of options. And I think this is the best suiting one. So I'm going to keep that one. And once you're done, you can just close. As you can see, we already have our link right here. In order to add more, all you have to do is click Add Links. And again, we have to go through the same process. And now for my second link, I want to link to our bank. Our bank is Wells Fargo, so I'm going to do from a link. I'm going to paste the Wells Fargo link and click Open. Now, as you see, we have our link here, the URL, and SharePoint automatically again generated a title. This time it's called Wells Fargo, Banking, Credit Cards, Loans, Mortgages, and More. Thank you, SharePoint, but that's a little long, so I'm going to shorten it. I'll keep it as Wells Fargo. And again, I'm going to go with another icon. I'm going to use that search bar again. And I do get two options for bank, so I like that one best. And I'm going to add one more link to this. It's another document within our site. This one will be our vacation policies. PowerPoint as well. And again, it generates the link URL, the title, and I'm going to pick another icon. Let's see, vacations. right. And you've generated your 3 links and your web part is titled. So let's click republish and let's test it out. This one should guide me to our vacation policies PowerPoint. It sure does. The next one should guide me to the Wells Fargo site. And it does. And this one should guide me to our career development guide PowerPoint. Perfect. So you've set up your quick links web part. And that's it. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for part 2. And I'll have the link down in the description below. We're going to go over how you can switch layouts, rearrange your links, and other options available through this quick links web part. So thank you again for your time and hope to see you again. Thank you.